All right, so picking up right where we left off, I just don't know how long that recording software lets me go before it kicks me, and I didn't want to have to take it from the top. So this is part two. We're going to look at the second graph now. So I'm going to go back here, and you'll see for the second graph, you're going to choose one of the characteristics above and create a pie chart that shows the dominant and recessive breakdown for that trait. So we use pie charts to a good way to show ratios between things. So I'm going to hop back over to Word just like before. I'm going to do insert and chart just like before, but now I'm going to click on pie chart. So just same thing, we want the very first one right here, the pie chart. And this one's going to function in a lot of the same way. So again, we're only doing one trait this time. So let me find one trait. Let's do, how about hand clasping? That's a good one because it's a nice little breakdown there. So I'm going to put workforce hand clasping genetics, something like that. My title. Same thing, we're going to work with this box here. So just like before, we can move around this box to affect things. So I'm only doing two traits, so I'm going to get rid of 4 and 3 so that I'm down to 2. Actually, I deleted them, but you can see they're still kind of hanging out, so it's better if you pull the box and get rid of them totally. And then same thing, this time, what's going to be my two pieces of my pie chart? One's going to be the dominant trait, and one's going to be the recessive trait. Right, so when it comes to hand clasping, dominant trait is left over right, which was 8. Our recessive trait was right over left, which was 6. So just like that, you can even, if you want, instead of just dominant, I can put dominant left over right. If you guys didn't know, by the way, you see how Excel works where it goes way over like that? Now it's like into box C. When you click off of it, it'll just go back to normal. Now you can see I've got the heading here at the bottom as well. So I'm going to do the same for recessive. I'm going to put right over left. Make it a little bit cleaner. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm looking for here. These two would be two completed graphs that look good. You can file save those, or you can always do screenshot, screen cap this, and I'll have a submission box over here. But this would be a good example of what I'm looking for right here.